Hello, it's Mr. Steinman. I'm here to teach you it's their practice. You'll see this a lot on the SAT and the ACT. It's one of the easiest questions for you to master. Let's practice. It's with an apostrophe, that's the little comma that's up high, it is. Let's pick somebody's name. How about Mark? Marks. That doesn't mean Mark is, although some people say it that way. Where is Mark? Mark is here. Mark's here. So in the SAT, if they write Mark's, they actually mean something that belongs to him, like Mark's hair. It's his hair. So it means it is. So example, it's sunny outside today means it is sunny outside. Now for it's without the apostrophe, that means it belongs to it. So you just got to memorize this. It's with an apostrophe S is it is. It's without the apostrophe belongs to it. So for example, the bird found its nest, even though there's only one nest. Well, here comes the important one. The bird spread its wings. I know it has two wings or maybe many wings, but the bird is singular. It's one bird. So I give you the bird. It belongs to the one bird. I should actually go like this. Here. There. T-H-E-I-R. There's three different forms of there. We all know them, don't we? Well, we can pretend we know them. The other forms of there are there, and there, which we'll get into on another topic, because this is really not the thing they will be testing too much. But let's just talk about there, T-H-E-I-R. Belongs to plural owners, more than one owner. For example, the athletes, those are the owners, train at their gym. That one gym, could be many gyms, could be one gym, doesn't matter. It's their gym, it belongs to them. The athletes won all their games. But if it was just one athlete, this would not be right, because the athlete is singular. And if the athlete was somehow an it, you would say its games. But athletes are people, so you might need to say something like her game, or her games, or his games. Let's not worry about that. The main thing is, if the owner is plural, it's their thing. If the owner, like the bird, is singular, it's its thing, or its wings. Okay, let's do some examples here. Wrong. Jessica loves her sports car, especially its incredible power on the racetrack. It's the its is the problem. They would underline this on the SAT and say, should it stay that way? No change? Nuh-uh. It should be, Jessica loves her sports car, especially its incredible power. Same word, it's just spelled differently. The car has incredible power. If it was Jessica who had the incredible power, we'd have to use a word like her incredible power. But in this case, it's the sports car that has the incredible power. Jessica loves her sports cars, if there were many cars, especially their incredible power. So another problem here was the word cars. Cars is not singular. It can't use the word it. So you'd have to use the word their, or if you insisted on having just one car, you would have the word its. So the car, the single car goes with its, the multiple cars goes with their. I think Jessica's lucky to have so many good sports cars. Let's look at one more example. Francisco stopped playing video games in January. It's his New Year's resolution. Underline. It belongs to him. That's why it's his New Year's resolution. This should say it is his New Year's resolution. And therefore, it is goes with IT''S. One more. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There is no place like home. We're going to have to go into that soon. I'll make that my next video. The there. Should be fun. That's all for now. This is Mr. Steinman, and remember, you are already brilliant. You are already brilliant. You just need to let your light shine through.